Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a heart, lock, and key. Now to start off with this, you want to begin kind of about in the middle, and I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a heart shape. So you want to draw a line that's just going to curve up, and then it's going to come down at an angle like this. So it's like a great big hook shape. Sometimes I tell my students it's kind of like a candy cane shape. Now I want to do the same thing on this side. I want it to be about the exact same shape as this one. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up, and then it's just going to come down and run right into this one and come to a point. Now I want to make this heart look like a lock, so I want it to be three-dimensional. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go straight down. And then I want to do the same thing on this side. I'm just going to draw a line that goes straight down. Then right here at the end of the heart, I'm going to draw another line that goes down. So I have three little lines going down. Then what I want to do is I want to connect this line and this line, but I want to have it the same shape as this. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve right down to here. It's going to be a little bit smaller up here and a little bit taller down here. And then you want to do the same thing over here. So I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve right to there. And same thing, it should be a little bit closer together here and then get a little bit wider over here. Now on top of this, we want to make it look like a lock. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a big sad face shape like this. And then right here, I'm going to draw another sad face shape that's nice and tall, just like that. Now, in the center, we want it to look like a lock. So right here, you want to make a circle shape that doesn't have a bottom. You're going to leave a little bit of space at the bottom. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down at an angle. And then another one that goes down at an angle like this. Then really easy, you just connect them with a little line. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve in like this, and then it's going to go down for just like a little three-dimensional part of the lock. And then you can always add a little line right here, just to make it look a little more realistic. Now the last thing we want to do is we want to add a key to go with this. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make another heart shape. So I'm going to start off by making my little hook shape like this. And then I'm going to make another one right here on the other side. Then I want to draw a line that's just going to curve right around the heart, and I'm going to end it there. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing over here, but I'm not going to connect these. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to kind of curve up. Then right here, I'm going to make a little rectangle shape for one part of the key. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes up. I'm going to make one more little rectangle shape right here. And then I'm just going to connect these two lines. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Valentine's Day heart-shaped lock and key. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.